Well, Jim worked 10 days straight here at Cakes,
Yeah, he did.
and he's sure happy, as we are, to have Natalie with us.
He's a trooper, that's for sure. Yeah. So, and a beautiful day to have off. Gorgeous this afternoon. Started out really cold this morning, but it's warmed up nicely this afternoon. We have lots of sunshine out there. Here's a live look from our 360 tower camera, just as the sun getting ready to set. Now, you notice we have a few upper-level clouds, but that's about it. That's going to continue for the next couple of days. Right now, though, 62 degrees here in town. By 8 p.m., we'll dip into the mid-50s, and by 10 p.m. tonight, right around 50 degrees. Notice temperatures aren't going to fall quite as fast as they did last night, but it's still going to be on the chilly side. Right now, temperatures out in the hill country, low to mid-60s, at 64 in Llano, 61 in Burnett, 63 right now in Georgetown, and mid-60s all along our eastern counties. At 62 at Camp May with clear skies, a mostly clear 64 out of ABIA. Winds currently out of the south now between about 5-15 miles an hour. That'll continue through the evening hours. That southerly flow is really going to help us out over the next couple of days, warming our temperatures back up above normal. Mold made it to the medium count category today, a little bit lower than it was yesterday. The count only 421. Tomorrow we're expecting similar conditions as we still have that very dry air in place. All across the state, a little bit cooler out to our east. Longview 52 degrees. Warmer as you head west, though, 68 right now in San Angelo, 70 in Abilene, and 71 currently in Midland. We still have high pressure in control of our weather patterns, so while we still have just some upper level clouds out to our west and then some over the eastern half of the state, that ridge of high pressure that's kind of moved out to our east now is starting to pull up that southerly flow that's really going to help our temperatures. So if we go hour by hour through our forecast, here's what we can expect. High pressure is going to stay in control of our weather through tonight and through your Friday. Starting to see some changes, though, as we head into Saturday. Early tomorrow morning, because of that southerly flow, a little bit more moisture working its way into Texas, we could see some brief patchy fog early tomorrow morning, mainly in the outlying areas and in the valleys, but that will burn out very quickly. Then we're going to see mostly sunny skies through the afternoon. Temperatures warming up even better than what we saw this afternoon. Expecting to hit the low 70s tomorrow, and that warming is actually going to continue as we go through your Saturday, all ahead of our next cold front that's going to be dropping in by the late afternoon hours on Saturday. Ahead of that front, temperatures should hit the mid-70s, but once it rolls through, drier, even cooler air is going to settle in behind it. That's really going to change our temperatures as we head into Sunday. It's going to be a dry frontal passage, though, not a whole lot of moisture that will allow for any sort of rain activity. Unfortunately, because our drought continues to worsen here. And the upper levels of the atmosphere, that upper level trough of low pressure that swings that front through here late on Saturday, will move out to the east. After that, we have a little bit of ridging, and then it flattens out into more of a zonal flow, which is basically just west to east flow, and that will allow for temperatures to warm a little bit by the middle of next week and continue our dry pattern all the way through the middle of next week as well. Tonight, temperatures still going to be a little cool, especially in the hill country with the drier air in place. We should be in the upper 30s across much of that area. Low 40s as you head a little bit further east. We're expecting low to mid 40s in our metro and eastern counties. For tomorrow, temperatures a little bit warmer than even today. Upper 60s to our north, low 70s all across our southern counties. In Austin tonight, expect temperatures dropping right around 45 degrees with clear skies. A little patchy fog early tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon, a high of 71 with mostly sunny skies. Warming continues into Saturday, then that cold front drops temperatures drastically back into Sunday. We'll top out in the 50s. Monday morning, though, is going to be the coldest when we'll have a freeze around the area again.